welcome back to Alexis Station. Now I have oregano here and I'm going to squeeze them down during the cheese
The juice of oregano.
of oregano. I know everyone doesn't like the taste of it.
But you like it, right?
Yeah? It's not.
Okay, show them.
Okay.
But
Here, look.
this is oregano. Okay, yeah, it's great. Let Alex squeeze the oregano leaves and then very good. Okay.
Bye-bye.